video. You're watching your favorite channel where we are going to discuss about an amazing variant that is none other than Lenovo's ThinkPad T440 out here. Yes. T40 की बात करें और if we talk about the series out here, ThinkPad is an amazing series out here offering you a version of ThinkLite out there, you can also say. And now let us talk specifically about T440 out here. Talking about this variant, then we can say that the design has been upgraded. Yes, you will see that the design has been upgraded. It is not that heavy looking variant. Yes, it is slightly changed out here. Talking about the processing system inbuilt in it, because size also matters, the inbuilt systems also matters in every gadget. You get to have a Intel Core i5 fourth generation offering you 1.5 gigahertz speed out there. Yes, if we talk about the speed, then it has got 1.6 gigahertz out there offering you Intel Core i5 fourth generation. Apart from that, if we talk about the max turbo speed of this variant, then it is 2.6 gigahertz. Yes, 2.6 gigahertz is the max turbo speed out here offered by this variant. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can see that this variant, this version out here is offering you a dual core out there. Yes, if we talk about the core system inbuilt in it, then that is a dual core system. Along with that, a cache memory of 3 MB is also seen in this variant, whereas if it is using a Windows version, then which kind of a version? 64 byte complications and computerization is being used in this. Yes, this overall we can say is a quite good version out there. Apart from these things, it also have hyper-threading technology and Intel Turbo Boost technology too, along with integrated memory controller. So these are the few specifications which are quite common in ThinkPad or ThinkLite series. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you interface of series 80A 600. Yes, this is being offered out by series 80A 600 out there. Apart from that, you also get to see SSD cache, which is an optional M2 out there. Yes, that's an optional M2 out there. Talking about this variant, we can say that this version offers you a great range of specifications in the RAM quality, as well as it offers you great specifications in storage capacity. Talking about the RAM out there, then we can say that it has got an installed RAM of 4 GB. Talking about the installed RAM of 4 GB, we can say that this is a quite good version of having DDR3L. Yes, DDR3L is being used out here. Earlier we have seen it offers you DDR3 only, so DDR3L could be seen in this variant, along with a speed of 1600 megahertz. So this is also good. Like 1600 megahertz speed is quite good out here. Apart from that, if we talk about memory specification complications out there, then it has got PC3 12800 out here. So this is also a good variant out there, we can say, not a bad version. But offering you an expandability will add on to every gadget. Yes, if you can expand your RAM quality or your storage capacity, then it adds on to every gadget. You have got 12 GB RAM out here, expandable RAM, we can say, which is the maximum support size you get to have. So that you do not have to wonder a lot. So you get to have expandable support size of 12 GB. But that also need to be having the same technology and the same variations out there. But the factor out there which is optional in this is that it has got a single slot out there, which is an empty slot for expandability. So overall, we can say that expandability could be done out in this variant also. Let us talk about the display of this variant, because display also plays an important role. And if we talk about the display, then earlier we have seen HD LED backlit anti-glance display. This is the same display being used out here. Yes, you get to see HD anti-glance LED backlit display out here with a great image resolution and a great screen size. Talking about the screen size, it has got 35.5 centimeters. So 35.5 centimeters is quite a good variant out there, along with a ratio or image expected ratio is of 16:9 out there. Now, since it has got anti-glance, it has got backlift technology, LED screening out here, HD resolution. overall the screen is quite good and quite effective out here. Now let us talk about the audio part also, and let us talk about the graphical parts of this variant. When we talk about audio or video part out there, or when we talk about the graphical part, it is all related to the webcam or video output we get. Talking about the webcam, it has got a good capturing resolution of 1280 into 720. Is 1280 into 720 is the webcam resolution you get to see. Along with that, it has got Intel HD graphics 4000 and 400. Yes, 4400 we can say. Intel HD graphics 4400 is quite good variant out here. Along with the stereotype speakers, stereotype microphones inbuilt in it, it has got really some amazing versions inbuilt in it. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has got a good jack system for omnidirectional jack system. We can say omnidirectional waves out there. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant is offering you a good connectivity to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth out here. Along with that, you also get to see that the connectivity to USB slotations, memory card, multimedia card, SD card reader slotation, these could also be seen out here. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, if we talk about ThinkPad out here, T440 out here or 440, then the storage capacity is not in the form of SSD. It is in the form of HDD, that is hard drive storage capacity out there. Talking about the hard drive storage capacity, it offers you 500 GB storage capacity. Along with that, it is having a speed of 7200 RPM out here. Yes, 7200 RPM could be seen out here. So we can say this is quite a good variant out there. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that the keyboard has played a very important role, because having a track point, alternate point, keys out there, 12 functional, 4 arrow keys, volume button out there, all the important keys have been placed out here, along with a multi-touch control. Yes, a multi-touch control in the keyboard for a mouse control, which is usually for we can say scrolling down, selecting volume up, down, any other purpose you can say. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering a good Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and whereas we talk about Wi-Fi or the wireless protocol connectivity, it has got 802.11 out there. Apart from that, we can also say that this variant is offering you a good battery life, but no optical drive technology could be seen out, like we have seen earlier DVD write and read, these kind of functions, but it will not be available in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you 23.5 volts battery life. Yes, it offers you 23.5 volts battery life, which is a quite good variant, not a bad variant. So let us talk about the pricing also, because these specifications are offering in a very good pricing out here at a site named justatclick.com. Yes, justatclick.com is a site which offers you great pricing for your favorite gadgets. Talking about the pricing, let us search in this search icon, which helps you to search your favorite gadget within a limited range of products. This is the result of a search, and we get to see that there is a bag free with this gadget out here. As well as you get to see that there is a small description box out here offering some specifications. Talking about this variant, talking about T440, there is a condition. Talking about this condition, that is refurbished, let us talk about refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, or talking about the refurbished word, we can say that refurbished and brand new products are quite same, are quite similar out here. We can say that. Refurbished products की बात करें, if we talk about the word refurbished, then we can say that refurbished word is an something related to brand new. Yes, we can say that refurbished product word means that creating something newly like. And now when we talk about refurbished and brand new, then we can say that they are actually same in the structurality, in the functionalities. They are actually same in the testimoniality also. Overall, they are quite same. Only the difference lies out in the pathway it is being obtained. Yes, if we talk about the brand new products, then they are absolutely first launch, whereas refurbished gadgets are pre-owned gadgets. They are pre-owned gadgets actually. So let us look at the pathway first. Talking about the pathway, then there's a common pathway followed for every gadget, that is base, mediator, and the consumers. Whereas the brand new follows this pathway in this format, like company is the base out here from where the gadget is being originated. Then it comes to the marketplace, where which is usually the bridge between the company and the user. Then comes the consumer, which are the users. We as the users are the consumers out here. Now talking about this pathway, what does this pathway means? मतलब company पहले product लाती है market में, then the user buys it. This is what brand new is all about. Now this brand new product is being used with the user, is being the user now. It is pre-owned gadget. Now what happens, that user wants to sell this product. So what happens is this user does nothing but sells it off. We can say gives it back to the marketplace, wants to resell it. This pre-owned gadget is resold out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant, this user, is now the base for the refurbished gadgets. Yes, this is the base for the refurbished gadget, because now the product is being used from this user. It comes to the marketplace, then it goes for the testing and everything, and comes to the user. So this is what happens out. Now what is the main thing happening out here? The main thing is the company test first before launching it in the market. Matlab, any gadget, every gadget is being first tested out, then it is brought back in the market, brought to the market. But what happens, the refurbished product, user sells it off and the marketplace tests it. जो भी side को लेती है, whichever place it is having it, it tests it and then it is resold. Now let us talk about the tests which are included in this, because offering you same structure, everything needs to be same. Talking about the tests, we can say that there are actually the same parameters, same tests included out there. Like if we talk about laptops, if we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that there are tests which are including the external and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, they are like you get to check out the gadget, like the external factors, or whether the display is working properly or not, keyboards, key buttons out there, if it is a mouse control working or not, scratches, webcam is there or not, the jack points out there are working properly or not, even the jack points are there or not, even the buttons are properly placed at the proper order or not. Everything need to be checked externally. Like if there is any scratch out there, what kind of scratch is this, whether it can be restored or not. So these kind of things has to be checked. Once the external parameters are checked out, then it goes to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that the internal parameters are not different, but the internal elements which are included in the CPU, in the chip system, RAM quality out there, storage capacities out there, the connectivities, the microphones, speakers. If the jack system is there, then what is the jack system working properly or not? Audio input jacks are working or not? The webcam is working or not? The resolution out there, the display it is used, the Windows it is using, operating system, every single factor has to be checked. Now, the external factors could be checked through normal eyes, normal equipments out there, but the internal factors need to be checked and verified with specialized equipment, specialized devices out there. The softwares they are using has to be checked. So overall, we can say that there has to be a check about the system of this variant. Talking about this variant, talking about the refurbished category out there. Now the brand new products have a structure. The same structure is for refurbished. The brand new have the same function which refurbished does. So they are actually same. The only difference lies out that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now let us talk about the benefits of having a refurbished product or a pre-owned gadget. Number one is the pocketable rate you get to have. Yes, you get to have pocketable rates. The gadgets which have been once pre-owned, they are now in your pocketable rates. Refurbished products are usually in pocketable rates. They are not as expensive as brand new products. Talking about the brand new products, they are quite expensive. Once they are launched for the first time, they are quite expensive. But refurbished products or the same product in the refurbished category are quite pocketable. Now, since they are pocketable, refurbished are quite less cheaper out there, less expensive. Then, do you get to save? Yes, you get to have a huge savings out there. You get to save a lot. Now, when we do a savings, because the brand new products are expensive, refurbished are less expensive, so you have a difference in the pricing. So you get to save a good amount. What happens with the brand new products is that once they are launched, they are offered as a 1 year warranty. Yes, you get to have a 1 year warranty also. When we talk about the warranty period, does refurbished products offer you warranty? Talking about the warranty period, yes, refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty out here. Yes, they are offering you 6 months warranty. Whereas you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy also. These are the two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. What happens is that once a pre-owned gadget we buy, usually don't get. But with refurbished category, you get to have a 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy also. So these are the benefits which are included in the refurbished category. So let us go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So coming back to the site, that is just at click.com. Yes, the site name is just at click.com. Description has the link. You can directly check in the description box, or you can check out here, that is on Google, that is just at click.com. This website offers you a great range of things. Like you get to have a hassle-free shopping out here because it offers you COD. Yes, all over the UAE, it has COD out there. Along with that, it offers you free home delivery, along with that money back guarantee and support system for 24/7. Now, what does this money back guarantee is all about? That if within 7 days exchange period, if we talk about, then if the gadget is not up to the mark and is not working properly, definitely you get to have a guarantee period out there. Now, talking about the pricing and everything, this search icon, which we have already seen, helps you to search your favorite gadgets in a limited range. So this is all about the site. You can check out the description for the link, or on Google you can check it out. Till then, take care, because this site offers you best market price, and for best pricing, do check out the website. Till then, take care.